YT, what it do, man? I know it's been a long time since I dropped the video. Just with everything going on, and yes, sir, we are gonna get into that. You know what I'm saying? I know some of you all probably miss me dropping those weekly videos. But like I said, we're gonna get into all that today, right now. Besides working on my cars, you know, sometimes the wifey cars do need to be, you know what I'm saying, they need maintenance as well. So today, what I got going on is I'm gonna be putting on a new lower control arm on the wife's car. So I can get her out my hair. It's about having to ask me multiple times to work on her car. I'm drop this new lower control arm on here. I gotta put a new starter on the 4x4, and then at the same time we gon' you know, we're gonna talk about everything that happened to the 4x4 and where is Milk Marie currently. Stay tuned. All right, man, so it's 2011 Nissan Rouge SV all-wheel drive. Went ahead, took the tire off the passenger side. Went ahead and took the passenger side tire off. You gonna do that simply with a 21mm bolt. I already got the new lower control arm over there, and so pretty much just gotta work my way in, get this taken off, get those two bolts, get the I think this is called the sway bar end link right here, but get this taken off. That's an 18. Get those two bolts back there holding on the lower control arm. That's an 18, and then this one more bolt that's down here, that's an 18 as well. So we're gonna get those taken off, man. I'm be right back. Sorry, I ain't gonna be able to show y'all as far as with me actually working on the car, because we had some contractors over here at the house doing some work, in which I believe, I'm gonna say I believe because I still haven't found it, but I believe one of them stole my GoPro. And until I get another one, that's pretty much what I'm working with as far as you know what I'm saying, just my phone. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna knock that out and I'll be right back. All right, so went ahead, like I said, got the lower control arm off. Get that leaf out of there. We got the lower control arm off. It's right here. As I said, we already got the new lower control arm over there. As y'all see right here, this bushing, I don't know if y'all quite see that, but yeah, that bushing right there that goes up into the actual spindle right here, that shot. Also, as I was doing my disassemble, also saw, I think this is called the steering stabilizer or something like that. But this bushing right here is shot as well. This ain't nothing but, this right here is $34. Believe you take this off with an 18mm as well. So it's 18mm. The bolt that holds this to the spindle is an 18mm. The bolt that hold these two bushings right here is gonna be a 21, and that's an 18mm as well. And with a few taps with a hammer, she gonna come right out. So I'm gonna run up to the store. Yeah, I'm gonna run up to the store. I'm gonna get this steering stabilizer, and I'm gonna pick back up once we start, or we get ready to start the reassemble process. All right, cool. So what we did, we went ahead and got the new lower control arm and steering stabilizer put back in. Those old parts, as I was showing earlier, busted up bushings. Pretty much easy install. Like I said, the steering stabilizer bolts, those are 18 on this side. Get you a crescent or adjustable on the back side to hold that bolt. Those will come right off top and bottom. These back here, those two are 21mm. That's an 18. Hold it from the top, drill it out from the bottom. The only thing else that I have to do now is to bolt that up. This is the bolt that holds the lower control arm bushing. So once I get that bolted up, set her down, everything will be all tidied up. And yeah, man, she'll be off of my back about working on her car. We'll have her back on the road in no time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that last little bolt put in, and I'm gonna pick back up with y'all here in a second. All right, gang, so we back at it live and direct. Right now, shoot, like I said, I got the control arm and the sway bar end stabilizer, whatever that one part called. I got those swapped out. Actually in the car right now, driving it, you know what I'm saying, just to make sure everything's still good for the wife. Let me see if y'all can see. Yep, see right now, we driving it, you know what I'm saying. Actually headed over my people's house real quick as a good test drive. So yes, sir. Man, I definitely appreciate you guys being tuned into this video. You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna drop another video explaining everything that happened with the truck. Also, I dropped a short, and we're gonna be talking about Milk Marie. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe, that like button, share this content with everybody who you know, and I appreciate it. We out, gang.